Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 147 different strategies, with 52 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve an 86% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says the only extreme trend reversal TradingView indicator you ever need. Perfect reversal points. And so, of course, we're going to put that claim to the test and see if these indicators hold up to that specific claim. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and turn off those two indicators there. And the first indicator you'll add to screen is going to be the extreme trend reversal points. This one right here. And so you'll select that and it will look like this on screen. And so you'll leave everything on the default settings, except under style, you'll go in and turn off everything except for the moving average selection, and then go in and bump up the line weight of this to whatever you see fit. And that'll give you what you see here on screen. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the trend strength over time. This one right here, you'll add that to the screen and it will look similar to this right here. You'll go in and change, at least if you're on the light background, then you will want to change the volume strength from the white to the black, and then the color 0 bumped up the line weight, color 1 we bumped up the line weight as well. And so that looks like what you can see here. And so what we're looking for is when the trend strength over time switches from green to red. So when it crosses down below that black line, you can see that it turns red right here. And at the same time, we are looking up to the extreme trend reversal, and it needs to be either red or orange when that color change there takes place. Once we get that, that's going to be our signal to then go short and put a trade there. We'll put our stop at the last swing and we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, like so. Just go ahead and play this forward. And you can see we make a nice push pretty much straight down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, again, is when the trend strength over time here at the bottom switches from the red color or the blue into the green color right here. So as it crosses up above that black line there, we're then going to look up to the extreme trend reversal, and we want the line to be one of the green colors. Once we get that, that's going to be confirmation to take a long position. We're then going to set our stop at the last swing, somewhere around in this area. There's really no clear defined swing until you get way down here, and that's pretty far away. So we'll just set it right below the line itself, and we'll target again that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward, see what we get. And you see, once again, make a nice climb pretty much straight up, getting us to our take profit there. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting us at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your gain there would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per trade. Your drawdown would have been $13,600 for a total loss altogether of $4,000. So definitely not a great strategy and definitely not perfect reversal point signals. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy. During that same period of time, we had 81 trades. We had 7 winning trades and 11 losing trades. 70 winning trades and 11 losing trades. That puts us at an 86% win rate. And so on the winning side, if you're looking to gain that same $600, your gain would have been $42,000. On the losing side, your drawdown would have been $9,900 for a total gain of $32,100. And so significantly better profit and win rate. Even cutting that down, say by fourth, would have been drastically different in your profits. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex strategy, the indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And so it's super cheap and profitable for a very efficient, again, profitable trading strategy. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly signals here. And so this is the signals from the Academy of Forex strategy on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin, and this is on the 30-minute time frame. And so this is from last week. These 4 Forex pairs, we had 11 trades altogether, 6 winning trades, 5 losing trades, put us at a 54% win rate. So that'd be a drawdown of $300 on the Forex pairs. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate, a gain of $1,200. So for the total week, we would have been up $900. And so again, this is still a very tricky time to be trading. The beginning of the year tends to be a little slow, stagnant, and not a lot of momentum, and so on. But this also shows the reality of trading. You'll have good weeks, you'll have bad weeks. The idea is to have small bad weeks and big good weeks. And so you can see that even if we hadn't been trading the crypto coin, we would have only been down $300 on the week. Now compare that to the most of the green weeks. We have about $4,000 on the green weeks, and you see on our drawdown weeks, we only have just a couple $100 losing there. And so again, that's the reality of trading. Could easily say that this strategy wins all the time, but that's not true. And we want to be honest and fair and show the actual results as they're coming in. And so this is just a testament to that. Now, overall, the last 5 weeks, we would have been up $14,080 altogether. So we're still doing things really nicely here, still making decent profit. And so that's it for this strategy here. This one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.